Hi, this is Mick Elliott of Electronic Specifier. I'm on the Lynx software stand with the company's VP of Marketing and Strategic Alliances, Ian Ferguson. Now, Lynx is well known in the defence and avionics industry with its software. It's now looking to move into automotive and robotics. So, Ian, could you talk us through some of the strategies that the company is pursuing?
Well, thank you. Thanks for the nice introduction. So we've been 30 years of helping keeping planes up in the sky, helicopters in the sky, and I think the attributes of that, very robust, small hypervisors, which absolutely make sure that applications that need to do something in real time do it. Those attributes are very similar to the requirements now in self-driving vehicles, robotics, whether those are in factories or logistics and retail. And so for us, there's the common base software, but we need to look at different partnerships. We need to look at different operating systems like open source software as opposed to our operating system, and embrace that into the same security framework and safety framework that people like Airbus and Boeing have used up to this point.
And I guess that means partnerships, is that with other component and software companies, or is it also with the automotive and robotics OEMs as well?
Yeah, a little bit of both. Our software has to, for the most secure systems, we really want to make sure we harness the underlying hardware. So that means we have very strong relationships with the ARM community, companies like Xilinx and NXP, but also working with the x86 world of Intel and AMD. So we want to make sure we tie to those, but we also look for partners with compelling complementary software technology, whether that's to run graphics really reliably, do fault coverage on people's code, as code is exploding, to tens or hundreds of millions of lines of code. We need those partnerships too.
Okay, and I guess there's obviously the question of automotive standards. How are you going with meeting those?
Yes. Well, cool thing about standards is there are so many, right? I think for automotive, everybody has to own that problem, and so we're looking at the relevant ones. 26262, the more recent ones coming up with cybersecurity like 21434. So we'll do our piece, and again, we'll make sure that our focus is to try and make sure that these compartmentalized pieces of software will play nice in that framework and be compliant to those standards.
Okay, Ian Ferguson, thank you very much.
Thank you for the opportunity.